Your axles are the last link in transferring power from the engine to your wheels. They're strong parts that last a long time, but they can run into trouble. Of course, axles just wear out over time and need to be replaced, and sometimes axle seals leak, causing the axle to wear out prematurely. Lubricant leaks out, and water and dirt can get in and contaminate the gears. When this happens, you might hear strange noises coming from your axle. If you have a rear-wheel drive vehicle, the sound would be at the back. If you have a front-wheel drive vehicle, the sound would be up front. Of course, with an all-wheel drive vehicle, the sound could come from either the front or the back. It might be a groaning sound or a clunking noise when you're turning. Your service technician can inspect for leaking seals. There's a rubber boot that protects the constant velocity or CV joints on some axles. If the rubber is torn, the axle can become contaminated. An inspection can reveal if the boot is getting near failure. The axle shaft will be removed and inspected. If it's damaged, the shaft will have to be replaced. If the shaft is in good shape, it'll be cleaned, lubed, and reinstalled. And damaged CV boots are replaced as well. Now, it's important to take care of this work as soon as you become aware of the problem. Waiting only makes the damage worse and more expensive to repair later. If the axle fails completely, it could lock up, and this could severely damage other things, like your transmission, which is very expensive. It could also contribute to an accident, which nobody wants. So taking care of your axles when they need it saves money in the long run and helps keep you safely on the road.